My name is Kristy Pickler. I'm a structural engineering technologist and I work for Stantec. So before we had UNIFI, we were basically using a Windows Explorer-based system to import all of our common families, and it was really complicated, I think, to make sure that they were always updated and to make sure that everybody is using the right one, because you often go into projects and there's 4 different types of the same column, and you don't know which one is right. So UNIFI makes it really easy to make sure that your families are the standard ones that we use within the company. And also, if we need to make new ones, it's really easy to upload them, and then everybody across the company can use the same one. So basically the problems we were facing is that people were using a lot of different types of the same family, and then it really came down to when we were trying to export that information, the families that we wanted to use had that information kind of built into it, so it was really easy for people to fill it out. Whereas if they used a different type of family, then it was just really hard to get all that information in one place. So with UNIFI, just you search for the family name that has this specific word in it, or specifically says Stantec standard or something like that, and then it's super easy. So basically UNIFI has made it really easy and makes it really fast because you're not waiting for files to load. You always just press the UNIFI button and you make it auto load whenever you open Revit, so it's just always right there. And I love the search function because you just search like exactly what you're looking for, and if you know that word is in the family name, it just all comes up, and yeah, it's great. UNIFI has improved our workflows. I'd say time saved is maybe half an hour to an hour per day of just purely searching for the right family, depending on if you're working on different projects. You're in one project and then you have to open the file and search for it in there, and then you're constantly importing back and forth. So if you know that it's in UNIFI, you just go to one place, you search for it, and you're done. I'll be honest, I haven't really used many other of these types of programs. So going straight from the Windows Explorer based system to a UNIFI that's more global, you automatically see that difference, and it just makes it so much easier to share things between offices because Stantec is so global. We can take things from a different office if it works a little bit better than something we're looking for, or if we come up with something that's really great, we just upload it there and then other people can use it too. UNIFI makes it better to share things between offices and have a more standardized family usage. It also encourages, I think, people to come up with their own families and really want to share them with the company. But whereas before, just using the Windows Explorer based system, you were having to email things back and forth and things get lost and you can't find them, and so yeah, I think it's just really great for sharing. I would definitely recommend UNIFI to others. It's so easy and I think it's fairly inexpensive. I don't know the ins and outs of that, to be honest, but I've never had a problem with using it. Sometimes you get a little error, but it's easily solvable, and there's constantly updates, so you know that they're always working on things, and I just think it's a great product. So there's 2 features that I really like within UNIFI. One would be the search function, because it's just so easy to type in a word or really what you're looking for. And the other one is the save searches, because if you're always looking for something, you can just save it in there. Like we always are looking for title blocks, for example. And so we have a saved search that's company-wide, and then we just go click on Stantec title blocks and they're all there. So it just makes it really simple.